Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Navara N-TREK dual cab ute, stock reference number 7452. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 2.3 litre twin turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 2.3 litre twin turbo diesel engine with radiator grille, front bumper bar, right fog light, left headlight, left fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a couple of small dents, left side skirt, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre with a factory sports bar, left tail light, rear bumper bar, factory tow bar, tailgate has a few small dents and a small fold on the top edge. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step, does have the plastic cover on the front coming off. Right rear door has a small fold on the rear edge, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We've got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, owner's manual, service book, center console, auto type, auto gear shifter, heated control, sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.